Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Microsoft Office for free on any Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC or laptop. This method is 100% working, fully safe, and completely legal. We're not using any cracks, hacks, pirated files, or shady websites. Everything comes directly from Microsoft's official tools, so there's no risk of viruses or malware. If you want a safe and reliable way to get Microsoft Office up and running, make sure you watch till the end and follow along. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really helps support my small channel and I truly appreciate it. Now let's start the process. Before installing Office 365, it's important to remove any older version of Microsoft Office to avoid issues. Open Settings on your PC. Go to Apps. Then Installed Apps. Find Microsoft Office in the list and uninstall it completely. As I already installed Microsoft Office 2024, so we'll remove it first. Once it's removed, we are ready to do our next step. Now we will download two small files. Open your web browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Open this website from Microsoft. This tool lets us choose which Office version and apps we want to install. In the Office Customization tool, first select your system type, either 32-bit or 64-bit based on your computer. If you don't know either your system is 32-bit or 64-bit, simply to your Start menu and search for System Information. Here you will see your system type. I have 64-bit showing here, so I will select that. In the Office Suite section, choose Microsoft 365 apps for Enterprise. Now scroll down to the app list. If you don't need certain apps like Access or Publisher, you can turn them off to save storage space. I need Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so I will select them only. Next, choose your preferred language, for example, English United States. Now scroll down and click on Last Section. Scroll again and click Finish. Then click Export. Select Office Open XML format and click OK. Accept the terms. Make sure configuration written here in same way and export the configuration file. And our first file is downloaded successfully. Now we will download the second file, which is very easy. Open a new tab and search for Office Deployment Tool. From the search results, open the official Microsoft website. This is official website of Office Deployment Tool for Microsoft. Now choose your language and download the tool. If you're following along and everything makes sense so far, drop a comment below and let us know which Office app you use the most. After downloading both files, go to your Downloads folder and copy both downloaded files. Now open your C drive. Create a new folder and name it Office 365. Open it and paste both files into this folder. Now open the setup file. Accept the agreement and click Continue. When asked where to extract the files, select the same Office folder in the C drive. The tool will extract additional files into that folder. Now we will start the installation. Open the Start menu, search for CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type CD, then add a space. After that, go back to that Office folder. Click the address bar at the top of the folder and copy the full folder path. Come to Command Prompt and paste the folder path you copied and press Enter. This opens the Office 2024 folder in Command Prompt. Now enter the installation command shown on the screen. I will also add this command in the description so you can easily copy it. This command will begin downloading and installing Microsoft Office automatically. The installation may take a while depending on your internet speed and system performance, so wait until it finishes. Once the installation reaches 100%, Microsoft Office 365 will be fully installed. Click Close. Now if you go to your Start menu, you will see apps there. If you don't see them, just search for the app you want. That's it! You've successfully installed Microsoft Office 365 on Windows 10 or Windows 11 using official Microsoft tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to Fixsoft, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.